Hello and welcome to I Nurture Videos. In this video, we will discuss about types of Android testing. At the end of this video, you will be able to describe the categories of testing supported by Android. Android framework as such has an integrated testing framework. This helps you test your application from all aspects. Also, the SDK involves tools for setting up and running Android application tests. Irrespective of where you work from, there are tools to help you set up and run the desired results within the Android emulator or the device itself. Let us first see the types of Android testing. First is activity testing. Then there is service testing, and finally content provider testing. Let us discuss about activity testing first. Android contains powerful tools to test the applications. The tools extend JUnit along with some of its additional features. It provides convenience classes to mock Android system objects. It also uses the instrumentation to control the application, while the entire Android testing environment is based on testing fundamentals. Based on the callback method, the activity testing is a complex one. The instrumentation manages these methods. Next is service testing. Service testing is an important aspect in the field of testing. This is considered to be a primary part of a testing framework. The service object is executed in isolation and mock objects are provided. Services are also provided with a lifecycle. Lifecycle method sets a global variable to indicate whether they are successful or not. This method is like onCreate or onStart command. Service test case extends the JUnit test case class. The methods used for inheritance are the methods to test application permissions. It is to control the application and to service the undergoing test. It is possible to facilitate the mock applications. Let us see about content provider testing. In Android apps, the view of content providers, as in data APIs, present the table of data. It hides the information from their view. A content provider leads a contract between itself and its users. Content providers provide the access to real user data. So, it is important to ensure that you test the content provider in a secluded testing environment. The content provider test method permits the test case to run against the data dependence. It also means that the tests do not modify the actual user data. Let us now recall what we have discussed so far. Android framework as such has an integrated testing framework. This helps you test your application from all aspects. Also, the SDK involves tools for setting up and running Android applications tests. There are three types of Android testing. First is activity testing. Then there is service testing. And finally, content provider testing. Thank you for watching this video.